Hey guys, welcome to the channel Pseudocoder. So today's our topic is format specifier. So last video we have covered about how to calculate the range of data types. So before moving on to the further part, actually I have got one mail regarding the query. So that person has written that I don't want to disclose who is it or her. So it's written that I'm a student in the second year and has referred our course from C practice problems. Really appreciated. Okay, thank you, whoever. So that written has the person has written that actually his or her English is not so good. So will you teach in Hindi? Of course I can. There's not an issue, but it's a universal language, that's why I choose it to be a part of series. It's okay, your Python series are already continued in Hindi. So firstly, for convenience, I will explain in universal language, that is English, and then I will come towards Hindi so that that person and some persons like him or her can understand. It's okay, no problem. So So these are the some of the format specifiers. So percentage %d is used for the data type. Int u is used for an unsigned integer. We have done these all in the further like in the last previous videos. And percentage o is for octal unsigned integer value. X is to print hexadecimal values, and capital X is for alphabetical characters such as A, B, C up to F. Okay, and percentage F is for float. Some of them are asked. We don't use all. We'll see. We're coming towards the coding screen. This image I will share in the description box. Also, if you have any query, you can join the WhatsApp group or the Telegram group. Moving on towards today's further topic, let me go to the code screen. So before format specified, there's a small point in C. Actually, there is a no such, you can say, people don't use, but during the interview you can expect a question on this. So this is our program to take uh, three values from the screen using the scanf function, and we are going to print it. Okay, it's a simple program. Let's run it. So I'm going to enter value 23, 22 and 10. What just happened? Can you see the difference? Like it should print 23, 22 and 10. So why does it print like that? There's one thing. So this star is called as suppression character in C. So what does it did? Let's go to the output screen. So what it has done? 23 is stored in A. On the second, that is the value of B, we have put the suppression character. So it just discarded that value and it took the value, that is the third value we have entered, 10. It assigned it to B, and in the C it stores something 0, or you can call this as a garbage value. So this was a small concept. Like sometimes it happens that is by mistakenly also, if you print a star, it works as a special character, that is a suppression character. So you must be careful while you are entering your code also. Sometimes it can happen, but there's a small point that is called as suppression character in C. So we're moving on towards the main topic, that is the format specifiers. So So let's talk about this program. So what is happening here? That firstly we are going to enter two integers. Okay. Scanf function is there. It will take the address of it. And then we are going to print it. ठीक है. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है? पहले क्या हो रहा है? डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. आगे क्या हो रहा है? 2 नंबर्स एंटर हो रहे हैं. ये भी हो रहा है. तो यूजुअली हम क्या लिखते हैं यहाँ पे? परसेंटेज डी लिखते हैं. परसेंटेज डी लिखते हैं. अब भाई साहब ये 3 ये 4 ये सब क्या है? It's a block size. Like suppose I am entering values such as I can say and any value C if I enter 78 or 9 something like that. Okay, let's enter it. Okay, so this is the output. So why is this space here? Why is this space here? See, space क्यों है यहाँ पे? Why? Because the block size we have declared is 4 and here we have declared is 3. What does it mean? Let's go towards the diagrammatical part. Okay. So behind the scene, we are going to refer this diagram first. Just look here. Okay. This diagram first. Okay. So what is so first A equals to how much characters we have entered? 2 characters. Okay. 78. And what is the value of a block size? 4. Okay. Where is that? Okay. So what it will do? It will leave 2 character space and in the last it will enter 78 in the last blocks. That's why it is showing space here, right? What about 9? Similarly in 9, let's go towards the program. What is the block size? It is 4. Block size क्या है? 4 है. तो अभी डायग्राम की तरफ आएंगे, देखेंगे तो कितना है? कितनी स्पेस छोड़ी है उसने? 1 2 3 4. सीधा लास्ट ब्लॉक में जाके उसको रखा है. यहाँ पे लीडिंग ब्लैंक्स छोड़ दिए और उतना रखा है. और यही हम नॉर्मल अगर परसेंटेज डी करते तो कुछ नहीं, डायरेक्टली प्रिंट होता. अभी कैसा है? Now what is happening that the block size and the input size is less than the block size, so there are leading space. And if the input space is greater than the block size, it can store correctly. And if it is equal to the block size, it can store correctly. Problem where arises? Where it has less values. Okay. So I hope आपको ये पॉइंट समझा होगा कि कैसे जब हम ब्लॉक साइज के इक्वल देते हैं तो वैसा ही रहेगा वैल्यू. ग्रेटर देगा तो अच्छे से आउटपुट प्रिंट होगा. लेकिन हम जब लेस देन दे रहे हैं तो उसमें जो आगे की जो स्पेस है उतनी छोड़ के वो प्रिंट करता है. आपको पता होगा कि सी में एक मेमोरी लेआउट होता है कि मेमोरी के जो ब्लॉक में अलग अलग ब्लॉक में मेमोरी ब्लॉक क्या होता है, जब वेरिएबल हम उसको असाइन करते हैं तो उसमें उसकी एड्रेस वो स्टोर करता है, उसकी एड्रेस होता है, फिर उसमें वो उसकी वैल्यू स्टोर करता है. तो ये ऐसे होता है. So moving on towards the further, that is format specifier using float values. I hope the screen is visible. Okay. Yeah. So how do you talk about the format specifiers? Format specifiers. So what does it do? So here 0.4 means the block size. Okay. And 0.1 means the accuracy. That means up to which decimal point it should print. Or it can be round off. Now here I have taken the values, you can see. Yeah, according to the block size it will fit because it is a two digits are there here. यहाँ पे भी 2 digits है तो चलो हो जाएगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो है एक्यूरेसी उस हिसाब से तो इतनी बड़ी वैल्यू प्रिंट नहीं होगी, तो उसके लिए वो राउंड ऑफ हो जाएगी. लेट्स एग्जीक्यूट इट. क्या हो गया कि 15.2 तो अच्छे से फिट हो गई और 65.88 जो है उसमें स्पेस आ गया. ऐसे क्यों हुआ? देखते चलिए. तो कैसे हो रहा है? 15.2 कितना हो गया? 4. ब्लॉक का साइज कितना है? 4. तो वो डेसिमल पॉइंट को भी काउंट करता है. सो इट काउंट्स द डेसिमल पॉइंट ऑल्सो in the block size. And now coming on towards this, here also it does the same. Let's count it using diagrammatical way. Here you can understand more precisely. So how many blocks are used here? So it is 2 to 4 and 1 is 4, decimal point that is 5, and 2 blocks are left, that is 7. That's why it has left 2 spaces. In the 15.2, the whole block size is consumed. So there is no space leaving blank space. And in this number, 65.88, the block size is what? 7. So what does it do? To fit all the characters, 5 characters, first 2 blank space are there and then it just rounded off the value and just printed. अभी यहाँ पे वैल्यू जो है कैसे 7 का ब्लॉक साइज था तो 5 उसने क्या किया 65.88 इन्होंने 5 साइज पॉइंट को एक रखा 65 ऐसे रखा तो ऐसे ये फ्लोट में प्रिंट करता है. जैसे इंट के रूल्स थे वैसे भी इसके भी रूल है कि समझो ग्रेटर देन है तो ब्लैंक स्पेस आएंगे, इक्वल है तो एज इट इज प्रिंट होगा, ग्रेटर है तो भी ब्लॉक की साइज एडजस्ट हो जाएगी या किधर ना किधर वो लोग एडजस्ट करेंगे, थोड़ी बहुत स्किप करेंगे. Now coming on towards the string. So here I have used the data type as char and we are going to declare a string of size 8. We have specified already. And the accuracy should be up to 4 points. And the block size is what? 8. So this is my string, pseudocoder. So the length of the string is 11. So what it will do according to you? The block size is 8. So will it print PSEUDOCO? How many of you think here? How many of you think that it will print this? No, it won't print it. The block size is what? Let's go towards the diagrammatical. You will understand better there. So here there are how many there are blocks? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Yeah, actually there is extra here. I should have drawn my 8, but it's okay. We'll erase that. Okay. Yeah. So now this one. So what is our block size? 4 and 4, 8. So it will print up only the 4 accurate characters. Accuracy. Let's go towards the screen. The block size is what? 8. And accuracy, what we have written? Up to 4 strings. So what does it take? PSEU. Let's run the program. We'll get a better idea there. So what is it? It has leading blank space 4, and in the last it printed the first 4 characters of the string, because यहाँ पे क्या है? ग्रेटर है, सब में वही ऐसा है, जब ग्रेटर होगा तो वो लीडिंग ब्लैंक स्पेस होगा और लास्ट का जितना होगा उतना वो राउंड ऑफ करके उतने थोड़े कैरेक्टर्स जो होंगे उतने ही प्रिंट करेगा. पीछे भी वैसे ही था, फ्लोट में भी, फ्लोट में राउंड ऑफ हो रही थी वैल्यू. ठीक है. सो I hope guys you understand this topic. If you have any doubts regarding it, either you can mail us or you can text us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Our team will reach to you as soon as possible. Thanks guys for watching this video.